Going camping is always very exciting, especially for me. But some people may think that it's very problematic because you need to carry all the essentials with you. Well, you don't have to carry them if you have a large capacity folding wagon that you can easily take with you for that special occasion. And of course, fill it up with all the essentials that you need to take with you on the go, like the first aid kit, something else. Hold on. Maybe you need to take your tent with you and you think that this one is not large enough. Well, for that convenience, eventually this wagon can easily extend to up to 30%. Basically, the back is unfolding. Now, if you have a tent that you can take with you and taking with you, you're gonna place it on the wagon when it's fully opened. And of course, the handle itself can be easily retracted up for you to easily carry all your stuff with you. So basically, now you fill it up with your bags, the kit. Of course, in the front also we are featuring a couple of pockets. Let's say if you need to accommodate a bottle of water, because you need to take water with you. So basically right here you have two elastic compartments in order to place a bottle of water, which eventually I think is very convenient as well. Then what camping or fun is not without a bowl, and then on the whole top I can easily accommodate even a seat. Now eventually I'm gonna carry everything. Maybe I don't need the seat. I have the tent. Eventually I'm gonna be able to easily sleep in it. And of course a huge capacity wagon that can be easily stocked with all the essentials that you need when you go camping, and fold it back if you don't need it anymore and place it in your trunk, because in your trunk you also can use it as a container for all your belongings to keep them in one place. As for camping, definitely a great find, because eventually right now you can easily drag this one with you to the parks, to the beach, wherever you are going, in order to recreate and have fun. Okay. And then eventually when you are back from your camping trip, you can easily place everything back in the car in order to go back home, because unfortunately you need to go back home after a while, after having some fun in the park. So you can easily fold this one back and then eventually place the handle back, fold it back to the 20% that this one was originally, and eventually super easy to extend back. And once again, fold it back, put it back in the trunk, and get back to reality eventually. If you guys are looking for a folding wagon, this one is definitely a recommendation from me.